Hi, my name is Dr. Jalpa, and today I'm going to talk about skincare active ingredients. What are the commonly used ingredients, how they work, how do you use them on a regular basis, which ones can be combined with which other ones, and so on. The commonly used active ingredients, which I'm sure by now most people have heard about and most people are using, include vitamin C, niacinamide, AHAs, BHAs, hyaluronic acid, and retinol. I'm going to be taking up each one of them, explaining how they work, and also letting you know which one you can combine very safely with the other ones. Starting with vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. It's one of the most famous and my favorite active ingredient. It's available usually as serums, and it is also a part of many other skin formulations. It's a master antioxidant. It basically protects your skin from oxidative damage. It works on pigmentation also. It is an ingredient that you should be using mainly in the morning. You could use it twice a day, but I prefer using it in the morning. You apply it on washed face, and you could use a toner after washing and then put vitamin C, and then top it up with a moisturizer and a sunscreen. Vitamin C basically can be combined with other ingredients like niacinamide, can be combined with hyaluronic acid. I recommend not to combine it with AHAs, BHAs or retinol because they could lead to irritation together. Second ingredient is niacinamide. It is a very commonly used ingredient and again is available as niacinamide per se or maybe a part of other formulations in smaller concentrations. Niacinamide is an all-rounder ingredient. It works on sebum control, it works on pigmentation, it works on the surface of your skin, and hence it is something that improves oiliness, it improves acne, it can also help acne marks, it brightens your skin. Niacinamide is one ingredient that can be combined with almost all other ingredients. It's very safe to combine it with vitamin C, can be combined with hyaluronic acid, retinol, and also AHAs and BHAs. It can be used in morning as well as night, but I prefer using it at night. Third ingredient is AHAs, popularly known as alpha hydroxy acid. The common AHAs are glycolic acid, lactic acid, malic acid, mandelic acid. Glycolic being the most powerful and the strongest. Lactic acid, mandelic acid are milder ones. Basically, AHAs exfoliate your skin, so they remove the dead layer. They bring up newer looking, brighter, younger skin. Hence, they help with pore size, they help to improve your fine lines, they also help acne and acne marks to some extent. AHAs can cause irritation and dryness and hence should be used with caution. Do not combine it with vitamin C or retinol. You could be combining it with niacinamide as well as hyaluronic acid. AHAs, in my experience, should be started only once or twice in a week. If your skin takes it well, or if you are using a lower strength AHA, you could then gradually up it to maybe alternate nights. AHAs should be used only at nights and never in the daytime. BHAs basically include ingredients like salicylic acid. They are milder exfoliants. They work better on sebum production and hence younger skin, oily skin, acne-prone skin benefits a lot with salicylic acid. They can always be combined with hyaluronic acid, but do not combine, or niacinamide, but do not combine it with vitamin C and retinol. Again, BHAs should be used sparingly, not daily, and use only at night. Next ingredient is hyaluronic acid. It is a humectant. Basically, it attracts water from the air and hence plumps up your skin, hydrates the skin. It's an ingredient that can be combined with almost all other skincare ingredients. In fact, because it hydrates the skin, it improves the action of all the other ingredients. Hyaluronic acid can be used morning as well as night. You could combine it with vitamin C, niacinamide, retinol, AHAs, BHAs. It hydrates dehydrated skin. It also improves the appearance of pores, fine lines. When used along with the right moisturizers that contain ceramides, it also helps to repair the skincare barrier. Next, and the most popular and the king of all ingredients is retinol. Retinol can do everything that's good for your skin if used in the right way. Retinol is something that helps to improve the collagen secretion. It also helps to tighten the skin, firm up the skin. Retinol should not be combined with vitamin C, should not be combined with AHAs or BHAs, but can be combined with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Retinol can be drying and can cause a lot of irritation. So it's important, if you're a beginner, use retinol only once a week and then gradually up it to twice a week, then alternate nights, and then maybe every night. You may need to combine it with or top it up with a moisturizer so that it does not lead to dryness and irritation. There are retinol products that are available especially for the eye area, which can work really well. It can improve the fine lines around the eyes, but never use face retinol products around the eyes. It can lead to a lot of irritation. So retinol can easily be combined with hyaluronic acid to reduce the irritation and is to be used only at night. For more information on these, do subscribe to our channel, and if you want me to speak about any specific topic, do mention in the comment below. See you in the next video.